Brace yourselves, gearheads. The legend has returned. The 2025 Nissan GT-R is here, and it's faster, sharper, and more powerful than ever before. Nissan has redefined Godzilla with cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic enhancements, and a performance boost that will leave supercars shaking in their tires. This new GT-R is not just an upgrade. It's a revolution. The aggressive new front fascia, sharper LED headlights, and a reworked aerodynamics package improve both downforce and cooling. Nissan has crafted this machine with a purpose, ultimate speed and precision. Under the hood, the 2025 GT-R packs an upgraded 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, now producing a jaw-dropping 605 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque. Nissan's legendary Atessa Ease all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip, launching this beast from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.7 seconds. And if that wasn't enough, the latest dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts, keeping you glued to your seat on every acceleration. Nissan engineers have fine-tuned the suspension for better handling and comfort. The adaptive dampers automatically adjust to road conditions, making this GT-R just as comfortable on the highway as it is on the racetrack. Step inside, and you'll find a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, an upgraded 10-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium leather-wrapped racing seats. Nissan has also added a lightweight carbon fiber trim to keep the weight down and the sportiness up. And let's talk about that sound. Nissan has tuned the titanium exhaust to deliver a deeper, more aggressive tone, making sure Godzilla announces its presence wherever it goes. The 2025 Nissan GT-R is set to hit showrooms later this year, with prices starting at around $130,000. While it's not cheap, this is still one of the best performance bargains in the supercar world. The 2025 Nissan GT-R is faster, more refined, and packed with the latest technology, all while staying true to its iconic DNA. Nissan has once again delivered a true performance masterpiece. What do you think of the new GT-R? Is this the best Godzilla yet, or should Nissan have gone full electric? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more epic car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.